Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Life. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 122 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic transmission. This Caddy comes finished in the metallic paint colour Costa Azul Blue. Across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Set into the front bumper of the Caddy, there is a set of front parking sensors. Down below, this Caddy sits on the 18-inch Monte Rosso glossy black and silver coloured alloy wheels. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, next to some LED rear combination lamps. Just above the rear number plate, we'll find a rear view reversing camera, and this paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the Caddy, there is a spacious amount of storage area here. A few lashing points help secure any larger items of luggage. The rear passenger seats can be folded fully flat, providing even more storage. Alternatively, they can also be completely removed. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle. 2 seats at the back, and in the middle seating area we have a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. The 2 outermost seats in the middle area have access to some folding tables, and in the centre we also have some USB Type-C charging points. Up front in the driver's cab area, the driver and front passenger seat have access to the ErgoComfort chairs with lumbar support. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the Trialogue cloth pattern upholstery and have access to that wonderful panoramic sunroof. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 10-inch colour touchscreen composition multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as connect to the system using Bluetooth audio. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once the reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will also display on the touchscreen, and just beneath this we have the touch button controls to access the climate control and parking assist menus. Throughout the centre console we'll find 2 drinks holders as well as a few more Type-C USB charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.